Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get universal rank player in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this is the guarantee UCL or universal rank player. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event or complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the play, tap the live events, and tap UEFA Champions League. This is main page. Try to search this player exchange feature. Tap and tap the last one, universal rank player. In previous video, I show you how you can get Mascherano and Jersey the deck. Right now, this one. Use exchange reward UCL or universal rank player. Tap. So this is a possible reward. You can get Mascherano or Dudek. This is a universal rank player. This is unplayable, but you can rank up your player by with this guy, using this guy, Mascherano or Dudek. And also there are possible reward here, UCL UCL group stage live player here. For example, from Manchester United, Marcus Rashford, you can get this guy. This is the UCL group stage live player. And if you're not lucky, you are still guaranteed reward UCL or universal rank player by one. You can get this is a guarantee for you with exchange condition 80 plus OVR UCL player 2 players and 85 OVR player by one in all positions. So if you need this UCL or X or universal rank player, please do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.